So seeing as Easter is less than a week away, me and my sister are going to be making Easter nests today. So I thought I'd bring you on the journey with me. So to start with, we need 225 grams of chocolate, and Caitlin here is going to weigh that out for us. So we're on 231, but that'll do. I can never cook with her. She eats all the stuff straight away. Next, I'm gonna weigh out 2 tablespoons of golden syrup and mix it with the butter. That's 1. I've just thought it's gonna be way easier to do it in the pan, so I'm actually gonna put it straight in the pan. In goes 50 grams of butter. Right, pour the chocolate into here because we're going to melt it. So I'm just melting this now. I've weighed out 75 grams of cornflakes because this is going in like the chocolate mixture once it's all melted. And it's all melting right now. I've just put it on a low heat so that it doesn't burn. So this is about melted now. So it's all melted now, and I'm just going to take it off of the heat for a few minutes just to cool. And then I'm going to add in all of my cornflakes. Right, I'm going to pour these in bit by bit to cover them with chocolate. And then I'm just going to mix them around. Right, that is all mixed in now. So I've already laid out my cupcake tray ready, and I'm gonna start putting this into there. And then just pop in a little bit into there, each of there. So now they're all in the cupcake cases. You just press like 3 mini eggs onto the top like this. I'm leaving them all in there for about an hour, and then they'll be done and ready to eat. So they're literally super easy to make, but they make like a really cute Easter treat. They literally only take a few ingredients, and they're really fun to like make with any like younger siblings or children as well. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please remember to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.